going on, folks? Welcome back to another little short video, little update for you guys. I'd like to start off with saying I saw that Greg Biffle and his family lost his life, or their life, yesterday in a plane crash. My heart goes out to them. Prayers for the family. That's a crazy loss, sad loss. He was a really good dude. He's more of an Earnhardt fan, but you know, he did a lot for the community. So yeah, it's sad to see them folks lose their life that way. But let's go on ahead and get in with the update. We've got the General out, we got the Bandit out, and of course the Sheriff mower sitting over there. We've had him covered up for a while, just sitting in here being garage cleans. I have since fired that up and rode it around the yard. I've not got that to fire yet, but I did put some fuel in it and hot battery on it the other day, just to see what it would do. Plus we're filming some cold start videos for someone else that requested some videos, so yeah, been doing that, and that's one of the reasons that they're out. Plus we might have a little fun here soon in an upcoming video with these three mowers. I still got to do some transaxle work on the Sheriff mower and get it going, but we did, me and Mike talked last night, because they came over for a little Thursday race night we usually do, where we have dinner and watch the race, and he said that there's a possibility that we could be a part of the parades here in town, but that would require brakes on everything. So we might have to rig up some brakes on some things to maybe have a little fun in a parade, because they were saying it would actually be cool for someone to chase me on a mower. So yeah, that would be kind of cool. So that's a possibility. We may do that, but that means we're gonna have to equip all these machines with brakes, and that is something that we can do. That one already has brakes, but it needs pads. This one needs a whole new brake caliper put on it, but that is something I can do. This one just needs brakes in general because it has none. But we may get into that here soon. I'm trying to finish with the trucks right now so I can get into tearing into some mowers again. Right now I'm trying to get blue finished so I can start driving it on the road, because the van is giving me lots of issues. And I'm trying to get the red truck to a point where I'm kind of at a stopping point, and I just kind of need parts for it, and I can order those as I go. So once we're done with the trucks, we can get back on the mowers again. I do have a mud mower that I want to build that's in the works, kind of like a beater replica of the Beast. So I do have a frame back there, I have an engine, I have a transaxle, and I also want to get back to working on the rat rod bucket build. That thing's going to be cool, but I do need to source an engine for that build. So yeah, it's all in the works. If y'all want to see an update on the trucks, I posted one a couple days ago. Go into the channel and just click on videos there, and you'll see it. It does say update on the inside Fords. So if y'all want a little update on the trucks, there you go. I have posted a couple shorts here in the past couple days, so that'll also give y'all something to check out, and little updates on what's been going on around here at the shop. And as I think I've already told y'all in a previous video, this is only until I get the computer in and start being able to edit long videos again. My computer has gotten to a point where it just wants to edit short videos, and if I try to upload any other footage, it just falls flat on its face and doesn't do a damn thing. So I have since ordered a 2 terabyte gaming desktop, and it is being built right now and should be delivered. It said 2 weeks to build and then like 5 to 7 days to deliver, so it might be a few weeks. I've got to figure out something in the meantime for some other videos that I need to get out. And like I said, I am dropping a video tonight on my adventuring channel for I do have a December to December type of content for y'all. If y'all want to go and check it out, it's adventuring content, abandoned content, stuff like that. Adventuring with Brian on YouTube and Facebook. We're gonna have a video every month from this December till next December. So yeah, one's dropping tonight at 6, so if y'all want to go check that out, be sure to go check that out. And yeah, if y'all haven't subscribed to the channel yet, y'all be sure to do so. Go down there and leave a like and comment down below. But that's about it for this one. Just wanted to give y'all a little update on what's going on with these guys. Still trying to get it running, which I'm just going to cold start it until it fires up, because you know, cold start videos and all. Then we've got the Bandit. You know, she's just a, well, he is just a badass that does whatever I want it to do. And of course, Sheriff Mower still needs some work and still needs some ironing out on a couple things, but all in all, just an awesome unit, and I can't wait to get it going again, because it was a lot of fun to ride when I did ride it for like 5 minutes. So there's that, and yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next short episode of whatever I decide that is deemed update worthy, I guess. So yeah, we'll see you guys then.